Hello, welcome to Power of Purple Tarot, and this is a Virgo season, so a very happy birthday to all the Virgos out there, beautiful Virgo people out there, and welcome to my channel. Those who are new, lots of love for you, and those who are already subscribed and watching my channel, thank you so much for coming back. You all are part of my family. So those who are new and just watching it, please subscribe, like, share my videos, and definitely this will be a general reading on the Virgo. And I have taken out few cards today, all, and then I will later on, if I just feel that the message needs to be clarified, I have kept my decks all ready. So let's start with the Virgo reading. But before that, I would like to tell you, do join me on Instagram. There, I'm also there as Power of Purple Tarot, and there I do a daily reading and pick a card reading and everything. So I am very much regular over there. So you will be getting more and more information out there. And if you are looking for a personal reading, like the ones I'm doing here in YouTube or on Instagram, something like that, or something different, just let me know through my email or DM me on Instagram. All okay. So let's get started. So hi Virgos, how are you? Hope you're doing well. And now see people, that's no complaints that I am also coming, trying to be coming frequently on YouTube. So I got the emails from some of you, those who are my subscribers, that they said that you're not very regular like on Instagram. So I'm so sorry I couldn't make it, but I will try my best. Okay, so guys, let's see what's happening in the Virgo season. It's not only for the Virgos, it's for everybody. It's a general reading. So of course it will resonate with the Virgos, but of course at the same time it will resonate with a lots of you. And please take the message of the cards, the wisdom from the cards. Okay, and sometimes the messages do not resonate at this moment, but it might later do it. So let's see, come back and check the reading later. So let's get started. So what's your energy in this Virgo season? This is the Lady of Cups. See, this is a Mystical Dream Tarot card by John Piagilato, and this is beautiful, and it is a very beautiful description, artistic description, and I will give the details if you are willing to buy this kind of deck, if you're interested. So all the links will be down below in the description box. My email ID, the card links that I'm using, and of course my Instagram. And of course do listen to my meditations and my little chit chats on my little podcast. So be there as well. So let's come to the first card, the Lady of Cups. So I see that you are in a very creative energy. You are harnessing this energy of water, the air, the fire, everything. It's more of water, so it's more, maybe it's a Virgos, those who have their birthdays in this Virgo season. Most of you, I'm feeling that these Virgo people, can you see it's glaring? Yeah, now it's okay. So I can see this Virgo people, mostly in Virgo people, and the people who all are in the Virgo season. You're all going through a huge change in communication, in your emotional side. So you're communicating well, you're working with something. I'm getting the message that some people doing with the communications sector, maybe singing, maybe anchoring, something to do with the voice, they're doing pretty well, and they will be doing pretty well. And you're manifesting your desires well. And this water is a fulfillment, is you're overjoyed with your emotional fulfillment. And it is not because of the emotional fulfillment that you are having in this season, or maybe in this particular time. It's because it's something that you have really worked hard for, this emotional fulfillment. It is not because for somebody. Yes, it can be because of your partner, because of your family members, friends, or any relatives or children, whatever relationship is there. So it can be because of that, but I'm getting mostly that lots and lots of you have really worked very hard have really worked really very hard with yourself, and you have realized that the happiness belongs to you. The happiness can start from you. You are the main reason, first reason of your own happiness. See, we can try to say good things to you, we can try to inspire you, but understanding that, accepting that is up to you again, right? So I see that this is a very beautiful energy. I love this energy. So just keep it there. Since this energy is so beautiful and I'm really liking it, I need some space. Sorry for the voice. So, what is happening in your relationships? I mean, in your life actually. Actually, it is happening in your life. This is related to, I don't know, what this message came as what's happening in your life. So, I got two cards here. I, the Master of Secrets. It's more like a magician and more like a energy of a a person who's into spirituality, into voodoo, into tantra, and to occult. So this kind of energy, I'm getting that kind of energy from your side. Maybe that you believe in this occult and astrology, and you're working or studying, or you're working and manifesting your connections, and you're doing something, some kind of manifestations, rituals. You're working on that, and maybe you're like that, you're this in this magician spirit, that you're working and trying to manifest your desire. Since you have already been in the spirit, you people are already in the spirit of fulfillment and happiness. So you must be now thinking of what to do next in your life, what kind of life I want. You have started working on that, and you have started gathering all the things that you need, the resources you need to work on, just like a true occultist. Whatever it's required, you have started working on that. This is so fantastic. This is seriously fantastic. And Ace of Wands, I love this Ace of Wands. Can you see this Ace of Wands? Things will bloom. Whatever you are manifesting, you are in this energy, and sorry, just give me a minute. So whatever you are manifesting in this way, in this season, I especially am getting, it's going to bloom like this. Like in this Ace of Wands, you will be getting your wish fulfillment in your life, in your relations, in your work, in general, in your life. So this is the Ace of Wands, this beautiful Ace of Wands with water, this flower, the air. There's communication coming to you, I see. Or you may be communicating something to people like a healer, true healer. You're blossoming. You were in the chrysalis form, now you are budding. There's a huge transformation in you. You have undergone this transformation. You have changed suddenly, and you have come to this power, the Ace of Wands. So you are now this Ace of Wands, harnessing in this energy of Ace of Wands, where you are the ace, you are the master. You're the master of water, you're the master of water. You are mastering your emotional abilities, you're mastering your communicating abilities, you're mastering your work, you're mastering your senses, you're mastering everything. So this is something you're really working hard on you, and this transformation is going on, and lots of you have already been transformed. And I see there are a lot of healers and light workers coming into this. I'm getting this energy of healers and light workers, a lot of you. Maybe you're into something else, maybe your work is something else, but you will have this healing energy of healing people. So you will have this energy of healing people, doing good things, sending good vibes, good energy out in this whole world. This world is going to change because of you all. This beautiful energy, this Ace of Wands. And yes, it can be an indicator that your life is going to bloom, and you will get what you want in your life, so for so long, that you have coveted for. But this is more of your personal transformation and your own power. And your own power is like a beautiful, it's blooming, it's fragrance. See this lotus, it's like opening up into the consciousness. So you have just I'm getting this message that you have this is a crown chakra opening. I'm getting this purple light. I'm seeing a purple light around. around this card, as if, yes. I'm just feeling, I'm so sorry for my voice. So I'm seeing a purplish light around this card. So there is a lot of crown chakra activation here. So that is opening up to your higher consciousness. So this is a work of crown chakra activation. And if you are interested in this crown chakra activation, yes, you can do that. There are so many videos in YouTube. You can follow the guided ones. And those who do it, they know already. And if you don't know it, you can always mail me. And we can arrange a session for you. So this is your what is going in your life at the moment. This is going to happen in your life at the moment. That is what you are bringing into your life. That is what you are bringing into your table. Can you see? Oh my God, yeah. Sorry. Those who are single, yes, the singles can't complain me, since I promised you that I'll be taking out for the videos for the singles and for those who are not singles. So I'm sorry, in the same video I'm doing it, but for the separate card, you see. Now you can't complain to me. So this is the Lady of Pentacles. Can you see the Lady of Pentacles is having this, she's in this water, she's like raising like a queen, and this book is side there, and there's the light, you know, there's an this opening up to this white light, bright white light of the spirits, as a flower, blossoming flower. So there's, and this greenery around this, there's some heart chakra opening, there's your third eye opening, and I'm getting this, and this, I told you, this crown chakra. So a lot of you are going through the chakra, upper chakra activations. A lot of you are going through your upper chakra activations, and that is opening you up to your higher consciousness, and that is really letting you, the single people, those who are in single, they won't be single for long, and those who are waiting for the right partner, they will meet them. But before that, I see a beautiful transformation in you. That is what happening, because you are bringing this change. Those who are watching, for those who it is resonating, it might not resonate now, it might resonate later, so you can come back and watch. So I'm telling you, this is a timeless reading, although it's for the Virgo season, but I can see there's a timeless messages in this video. So I can see there's something very much blooming in around you. There's a lot happening in this card, a lot. So the single people, yes, you're going to meet somebody who is in this, who is very flourishing, you know, who is very flourishing and very knowledgeable, and person who has a lots and depth and emotion, and really knows how to take things forward, and with lots of compassion and feelings. There might be slow movement in that person's that person coming to you, but this is beautiful. This is a very, very beautiful water, and water energy. There's, yeah, you have this moon. So there's a lot of, it is like you are totally, all your chakras are aligned at the moment, and so you'll be meeting some person who really vibrates with the same frequency as you are. So singles, for you, there's a message that maybe you were expecting some of you, in some cases, that you're expecting a person that you have been knowing or willing or wishing, that you have a crush on, maybe. I don't think that that person is going to come for lots of you. For some of you, that might happen, that person changes like this. In this Virgo season, there is a lot of changes that I see, these beautiful changes. So if they really they really resonate with that changes, yes, they are going to come towards you, and that is very fruitful. But I am seeing, what I'm seeing here is the person that is going to come. I'm sorry, I'm taking a lot of time. So this person who is going to come is a bit slow in their movement, but a different person, and really worthy of you, because you know what happens, the universe sends you the right person and the right people at the right time, because the person has to understand you, has to have that compassion, has to have that emotion to feel what you are feeling, to understand what you think. So this vibration should be same, otherwise there will be a disparity, there will be lots of trouble in your relationships. That's not going to work out later. So in that case, that would be a very bad situation for you. So universe knows what's best for you, and the best is coming to you. So good luck to singles. Okay, the Lady of Pentacles. Let me keep it this side. Sorry. So those who are in relationships and situationships, okay, all these cards came in reverse. Four of Pentacles. I'm happy Four of Pentacles came in reverse. The message that I got. Okay, the dream protector. So I'm getting those who are in relationships. Okay, I mean those who are already married or in a committed relationship. I'm getting that this reverse Four of Pentacles. I'm getting this energy that you have been very clingy in your relationships. You have been holding on to certain values. You need to change this, bring in the changes in your values, in your thoughts, in your thinking. Whatever we had been thinking, if it's not serving our end, if it's not serving good, your highest good, there's no point in continuing with that. So this change is going to come soon in your life, and this season really has this you taking you out of your chrysalis into a butterfly mode. So you are in this beautiful energy. So I'm happy for you all that those who are in relationships, I'm sorry, those who are in relationships and the commit or already committed to somebody. So there will be a lot of understanding. There will be, even if there is there was some misunderstanding between you, it will get sorted out gradually. This is going to work for you. I'm happy for you. Where do I keep it? Let me keep it here down. The relationships, I'll show it to you again if you want. For those who are in situationships, yes, the dream protector, that is it's mostly like the Emperor, who's in the most emotional state. But since it's reversed, this Emperor is at this Emperor energy. I feel that this Emperor and this person, whoever is in your life in this situation, so this person is slightly conflicted at the moment. They need some more time in their spiritual growth. They need some more space. So give them the space and understanding. If it's destined for you that they will come to your life, yes, they are going to come to your life. Okay, so don't worry about that. If they are not coming into your life, of course it will get you will steer clear of it. So don't worry about it. I'm keeping it here since this is a very complicated one. Okay, now what are the messages for you all in the Virgo seasons, especially for my Virgo people? This is a message for my Virgo people first. Just a minute. Nothing is yet set in stone. Mutable moon. So for the Virgo people especially, this is a special birthday message. Happy birthday Virgos once again, and much love to you. And this is nothing yet is yet set in stone. Yes, this whole reading has some part of you being covered. It does. There's a huge collective being covered. It's not about Virgo zodiac in general, but here this message is totally for the Virgos. So this message means nothing is yet set in stone. So whatever your situation might be and you think that there is no change is going to happen, I'm sorry, no, it's not that. It is taking time, and if that is not happening, understand that. Just now I told you, just few minutes ago, I have said that in my readings, that sometimes things changes. Why it changes? Why universe changes it? Because it's for our highest good. If we are not compatible with some person and later on we break up, how do you feel? Like if you go to a job, if you don't initially you liked it and then you start losing interest from it, how would you feel? You go to a place which is not compatible for you, although the job is, but it's not helping you in any way. So whatever it comes to you, understand the things are not meant for you. The good things are coming your way. You need to work on it. Work on your meditation, work on your chakras, pray to God, pray to your source, whichever you believe in, whichever God, whichever religion, and whatever your belief is. You must be believing in something. So if you're praying to the moon, pray to the moon. Praying to the sun, pray to the sun. So it's up to you. Prayer is very important, because there is some huge force working behind us. Okay, so praying really works. Pray, meditate for some time. Meditation doesn't mean that you have to chant something or sit in front of a candle. It can be like sitting in front of a river, lake, or sitting in the park, sitting in the some time in nature, listening to beautiful music. It can be anything. It's up to you how you meditate. You need to visualize what kind of life you want from yourself. Keep that, just visualize that this is happening. Yes, this has happened to you, and just visualize it for a few minutes. Yes, let it stay. And that's how you continue doing it. It's rewiring your brain to bring that change in you. Got it? This is how we visualize, why we meditate. So nothing is yet set in stone. Yes, my dear Virgos, don't worry if something is bothering you. And for all of you, show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So in Aquarius season, expect the unexpected, as it's said. So show the world your authentic self. Be yourself. Completely step into your power. If you have been following my Instagram, you must have watched that few readings that I have given for the last few days. The last week. It's always the same theme that is coming again and again through various cards. Step into your power. Be confident. Have faith in you. Trust in your inner strength. So that's it. That's a message for you. Thanks, and hope you have all enjoyed it. And if you want a personal reading from me, yes, you can write to me at powerofpurpletarot@gmail.com. And definitely like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And all the details are given in the description box. So, and join me on Instagram for daily readings and pick a card. So it's very interesting out there. You will get to have many interactive messages out there, so you really enjoy. Keep watching my YouTube channel and stay with me. Subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and do not forget to click the bell icon, okay, so that you get notified whenever I'm posting a new video. And now that there are no complaints that I'm not being regular, I'm trying to be one, so I'm giving you the messages as much as possible for me. So again, I'll try to make a video in a very short span of time. So let's see what happens. Let's hope for the best. And happy birthday to you, Virgos, once again, and all the best for you all, because this reading was really beautiful. Thank you all. Namaste.